We had some strong, good quality plastic barrels lying around, and instead of letting them go to waste, we decided to turn them into elevated raised beds. These barrels are big and durable, perfect for this kind of project. The first thing we did was cut out the bottom of each barrel. This large opening acts as a massive drainage hole, allowing excess water to escape easily. But it's not just for drainage. The roots from our plants can grow down through this hole into the soil below, making the plant stronger and healthier. It also allows worms and beneficial microbes to move freely between the ground and our raised bed, creating a natural exchange of nutrients. This open bottom design connects our bed with the living soil underneath, which is essential for healthy plant growth. Next, we made small holes all around the sides of the barrel. These holes help air pass easily through the soil, preventing it from becoming compacted. Air circulation is crucial for plant roots, as it allows them to breathe and absorb nutrients properly. Without enough air, roots can suffocate and rot. The side holes keep the soil fresh, promote microbial activity, and ensure that excess moisture can evaporate easily. When we filled the barrels with soil, we noticed that they started to lose shape and bulge outwards. To fix this, we used strong binding wire around the top of the barrels, though ropes can work too. This keeps the shape of the barrel neat and firm even after being filled with heavy soil and organic matter. You can see in the video how we wrapped the wire tightly and secured it properly. It's a small step, but it makes a big difference in keeping the raised bed stable for years. Once the barrel was ready, we started filling it. Since these beds are large and elevated, they need a good layering system to stay fertile and maintain moisture. The bottom layer contained all kinds of organic materials: small tree branches, dry leaves, grass clippings, and other natural debris. This layer serves multiple purposes. It improves drainage by allowing water to move freely, releases nutrients as the materials decompose, and creates air pockets that help oxygen move through the soil. It's like building a mini compost system inside the raised bed that continuously feeds the plants over time. Above this, we added garden soil. Our soil is loamy, which is ideal for growing almost anything. Loamy soil has a balanced mix of sand, silt, and clay, giving it excellent texture for plant growth. It drains water well, but still holds enough moisture so plants don't dry out too quickly. It's soft and easy for roots to grow through and contains plenty of natural nutrients. Loamy soil also supports a large population of microbes and earthworms, which enrich it even more. Because it holds nutrients without becoming too sticky or too dry, plants grow faster and stronger in loamy soil than in any other type. Finally, we added a thick layer of fully decomposed manure on top. This nutrient-rich layer acts as a natural fertilizer for the plants, providing nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and many other trace minerals needed for healthy growth. Since it's already decomposed, it's safe to use directly and won't harm the roots. It also improves the soil structure, helping it stay moist longer and keeping the temperature stable. Microbes thrive in this layer, breaking down organic matter and turning it into food for the plants. As water moves through all these layers, manure, loamy soil, and the organic material at the bottom, it carries nutrients downward, feeding the roots deeply. Over time, the lower layers continue to decompose, making the soil richer each season. Because the barrel has a large open bottom, earthworms will come up, eat the decomposing material, and leave behind worm castings, which are among the best natural fertilizers. This setup is simple, sustainable, and long-lasting. By using old barrels, we're recycling plastic and reducing waste. By layering natural materials, we're mimicking how soil forms in nature, from decaying plant matter and living organisms. And by keeping the barrels open at the bottom, We're allowing the raised bed to stay connected with the ground ecosystem, making it more alive and productive. It's an easy project with huge benefits. And once filled, these elevated barrel beds will support healthy, vigorous plants for many years to come.